Instead many syrups and lozenges from the pharmacy, we suggest you one home remedy against cough without any side effects and severe fall of the stomach. The homemade cure can be used by all members of the family including children. Ingredients for homemade cough medicine: raw organic honey, black radish. Preparation: carve the inner part of radishes. Pour honey in the hollowed part. Remember that the radish will produce juice, so do not fill the cavity to the top. Place the radish in a sufficiently broad cup. Leave to stand overnight at room temperature. In the morning pour the resulting syrup into pan with lid. Since honey enriched with juices from the radish has no side effects, you can drink it as desired, every time after attack of cough and before bedtime to release pain in the throat. This syrup is suitable for children of any age.